Imagine a world where your valuable data isn't lost in a sea of duplicates, confusing file names, and never-ending email chains. In today's fast-paced environment, managing critical information can be chaotic, especially when relying on cumbersome tools like Excel spreadsheets and Windows Explorer to manage your data. Transition to Autodesk Vault Professional. With Autodesk Vault Professional, you can bid farewell to the chaos of data management. Let's explore the top features that make Autodesk Vault Pro your key to efficient part numbering, seamless collaboration, and streamlined project management. 1. Data management. Autodesk Vault Professional facilitates the efficient management of your design and engineering data. No more drowning in duplicates and confusing file names. Organize, track, and control access to your files with ease. 2. Version control. Say goodbye to mix-ups with part numbers and file duplicates. Autodesk Vault Pro offers robust version control, ensuring you can effortlessly track changes, revisions, and updates made to your design files. 3. Collaboration and workflows. Are your non-CAD users struggling to access design data, leading to miscommunication and costly mistakes? Vault Pro's got you covered. Whether in procurement, sales, or project management, non-CAD colleagues can now seamlessly view project data, fostering a more collaborative and productive environment. 4. Software integration. Worried about integration hiccups with other platforms? Vault Pro seamlessly integrates with Fusion Team, Autodesk Construction Cloud, PLM, and even external ERP systems, fostering clarity in the data exchange and collaboration environment. 5. Security and access control. And speaking of collaboration, security is paramount. Autodesk Vault Professional provides robust access control features, ensuring only authorized personnel can access and modify specific files. Protect your intellectual property with confidence using Autodesk Vault Pro. Now let's delve a little deeper into some technical challenges that Autodesk Vault Professional can address, particularly concerning engineering change orders or ECOs and lifecycle management. Technical challenge 1. Eco process. Are engineering change orders causing bottlenecks and delays in your workflow? Picture this scenario. A critical design change is needed after a product has already been manufactured. Without an efficient ECO process, tracking down the relevant models and drawings can be a nightmare. Autodesk Vault Professional streamlines the eco process, providing a systematic approach to manage design changes, ensuring transparency and traceability. Technical challenge 2. Lifecycle management. Lifecycle states can often lead to collaboration issues, especially when manufacturing from non-released files. Consider a situation where outdated versions of the design are used in the production process, leading to errors and rework. Autodesk Vault Professional allows you to define and manage lifecycle states with precision, preventing the use of non-released files in manufacturing. This ensures that your team works with the most up-to-date and approved designs, minimizing errors and enhancing efficiency. In conclusion, if you find yourself grappling with these technical challenges, Autodesk Vault Professional becomes more than just a solution. It becomes your strategic advantage. Efficiently managing your part numbering, collaboration seamlessly across diverse roles, and navigating complex engineering change orders and life cycles are integral to staying ahead in today's competitive landscape. Choose Autodesk Vault Professional and empower your team to not only keep up, but truly excel in the realms of data management, collaboration, and project efficiency. Elevate your engineering processes and make chaos a thing of the past. Connect with us to find out how Autodesk Vault can solve your specific pain points.